Hello dear students, I am Shivani Kare, Assistant Professor, KIT's College of Engineering, Kolhapur. So, in the previous video we have still the services given by the cloud. Today we'll learn about what are the different types of cloud computing models available. So basically there are three types of cloud computing model available. It's a private cloud, public cloud, community cloud, and the combination of two clouds makes an hybrid cloud, right? So basically, the types of cloud computing depend on how you are using or accessing the services that categorize this type 2 into the models, right? For example, you could see here we'll have the private cloud where we took the images from the javapoint.com and the fastcloudstorage.com. So the first image you could see they have shown the organization, and the organization, whatever the cloud or the services of the cloud, it might be a infra, it might be a what we can say, it might be a storage, it might be a platform, okay, it might be a software. So what you does in private cloud is you will install, deploy and configure the cloud within your organization. So it's very secure whenever you're dealing, or any organization is dealing with the information which is very sensitive and it's really mandatory or need to be secure by the organization, they prefer these type of cloud, which is the private cloud. So you can see here in the diagram that there is a key shown here as a security. So private cloud gives you the most secure form of a cloud service, where you could see in that the private cloud they have shown it, there have a servers or private cloud. In between they have shown a wall, and to the other side of that will have the internet or the world. So we have secured the information by keeping it private. So it's a private cloud. So private cloud is operated only within a single organization. However, it may be managed internally by the organization itself or by a third party. So private cloud is very secure as compared to the other modules. What you can have, it's a high security and privacy type of module. Again, the organization is having more control over the cloud. Then the disadvantages, we can say it's a restricted area operation, like it is a restricted area operation, like within that organization we can use. Then you need to have like purchase a hardware and other things, you have to keep update those things and all. So this is the cost of the private cloud. Okay, the next type of, so private cloud is secure but it is costly and need a require a skill expertise, like deploying it, keeping it intact and working. So private cloud is, it depends for the organization which type of cloud service, like if they feel that like purchasing the things and the information, keeping it secure is more prior to them, they can go for the private cloud, right? Next we'll have the public cloud. As its name indicate, it is the public cloud computing, wherein you could see here in this the administrator is giving a different type of services, application services, platform services, storage services, and other types of services which users can use from anywhere. So public cloud allowed system and services to be easily accessible to general public. The IT giants such as Google, Amazon and Microsoft offers cloud services via internet. So these are the public cloud model, and the famous, which can we can see everyone is using it. It's a famous public cloud model. So you can pay to the cloud service provider and you can purchase it, wherein the security is at a risk because it is publicly available and the data is with the third party. Okay, and but the cost of maintenance, purchasing a hardware and all other is not there in the public cloud. So it's a cost effective. Then again it is flexible, you can move and access from anywhere. Then it's highly scalable, depending on your requirement you can purchase more things you want. And like it's publicly available via internet, right? So it's a public cloud depending on the organization. the organization can decide to put or keep some of the data to the public cloud and some of the private cloud. It's their choice how they want to deal with the data. Then when the choice comes that organization could keep 20% of data as very secure and in the private, the 80% they can compromise and can put onto the public cloud. So that comes a third model which we called as a hybrid cloud, right? So hybrid cloud is what? Where the very sensitive and important data by the organization can kept into their internal cloud, and those they can compromise or there is no issue of security or other things can be kept onto the public cloud. So that's a combination of, we can say, as its name indicates, it is hybrid, so it is combo of both public and private. Okay, so we can say it's a mixture of public and private cloud. Then non-critical activities are performed using public cloud while the critical activities are performed using the private cloud. The hybrid cloud is as we have shown in the diagram, it is like that. Hybrid cloud, you could see here the cloud, it's shown hybrid, so private and combo of public. Okay, benefits are, there are many benefits of deploying cloud as a hybrid cloud. For example, scalability, security, cost effectiveness and flexible. So you can combine the advantages and disadvantages of private and public in the hybrid. Okay, then last is the community cloud. Community cloud, as a name indicates, it is a community cloud. So surely community cloud allows system and services to be accessible by a group of organizations. So like for the group of organization, this community model is designed. Basically it is a public cloud actually, and its services is accessible by a group of organizations. It shares the infra between several organizations from a specific community. It may be managed internally by the organization or by the third party. Cloud model is shown in the diagram. You could see our organization 1 is using the same, an organization 2 is using, so it's a community, I mean specific community is using that. Okay, this is a very simple explanation for the cloud. Everybody is using basically the public cloud like via internet. So it's all about the types of models of cloud computing. Remaining we have to deal with the remaining we have to see what are the different examples, where is the you are going to have to manage at which level in which type of service and other manages by the third party. So that the remaining we'll see into the next video. So I'll just try to keep the video small so that you will not get bored to listen it. So I'll just try to keep it small and just dividing into small parts so you can have a quick view of it. So if any queries regarding it or any comments on it, you could share, do subscribe, or just you can like the videos. Okay, thanks for watching.